Polynomials by Adilene and Lyn. What is a polynomial? Well, you're going to find out while watching this algebraic PowerPoint designed by Adilene and Lyn.
Polynomials. A polynomial is a monomial or the sum or difference of two or more monomials. Standard form of a polynomial means that the degrees of its monomial terms decrease from left to right. To simplify a polynomial, just add like terms. For example, 2a plus 3a equals 5a.
Adding and subtracting polynomials. Just like before, you just need to add like terms. If they don't have the same term, you cannot add, subtract, multiply, or divide. For example, the quantity of 3x plus 5 plus 6y, add the quantity of 4x plus 10 plus 7y equals 7x plus 15 plus 13y.
Multiplying polynomials. To multiply a polynomial, you do some distributing. You distribute everything inside the parentheses. For example, 4xy times 3 plus 2y equals 12xy plus 8xy squared.
Factoring polynomials. One way of factoring polynomials is finding the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is the biggest number of variables the polynomials have in common. For example, 3x, 12x, and 21x. 3x equals 3 times x. 12x equals 3 times 2 times 2 times x. 21x equals 3 times 7 times x. The greatest common factor that 3x, 12x, and 21x have is 3x.
Multiplying binomials. A binomial is pretty much a polynomial. A binomial has two terms and a polynomial has three or more terms. For example, 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 5. Remember, you need to distribute everything. 2 times 3x and 5, 3 times 3x and 5 equals 6x squared plus 10x plus 9x plus 15 equals 6x squared plus 19x plus 15.
Multiplying binomials continued. 2x squared. Again, distribute. Square the 2 and the x. 2x squared equals 4x squared.
Multiplying special cases. Simplify x plus 5 squared. You may think it's going to be x squared plus 25, but no. It's going to be x plus 5 times x plus 5 equals x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25 equals x squared plus 10x plus 25.
There's so much you can do.
Factoring trinomials of the type ax squared plus bx plus c. When you're given a problem to factor, you're expected to find the question. 6n squared plus 23n plus 7. To go from ax squared plus bx plus c to its factors, look for binomials that have the following characteristics.
Factoring trinomials of the type of ax squared plus bx plus c continued. The first curve on the left is a product of a. The second curved line on the right is a product of c. The very short curve on the bottom and the long curve on the bottom equal sum of product is b.
Bibliography. The Prentice Hall Mathematics Algebra Book, pages 494 to 524, and Google.